Alright guys, welcome back again sa aking channel. I will teach you how to protect your Xiaomi M365 Pro during rainings. As you can see, today is raining, so to protect your Xiaomi and yourself, this is made of plastic bottle. Just cut in a half, then put it here. It's easy, just cut a scissors, anything that can cut the plastic bottle. Alright, and also you have to protect this dashboard. This is only a gloves. It's only a gloves, so protect the dashboard for water. Alright, that's all guys. Thank you. Bye bye.